What if camouflage wasn't just about color, but about changing your texture too? That's what makes cephalopods like octopuses and cuttlefish so ridiculous. They don't just blend in by changing shade. Their skin can go from smooth to bumpy, so they match the surface around them too. And now, researchers have built a fake version of that idea. This paper shows a soft, photonic skin that can switch both color and texture on demand. So the same surface can look flat and plain one moment, then suddenly turn textured, colored, or both. Think of it like this. Most materials are like a t-shirt. Once you make them, they look the way they look. This is more like a jacket that can change its fabric pattern and its paint job while you're wearing it. The trick comes from a polymer film. The researchers programmed different parts of it so that when liquid is added, some regions swell more than others. That creates hidden 3D patterns that can appear and disappear. And when they built these patterns into special light-controlling layers, the surface didn't just change shape, it changed color too. Not with pigment like paint, but by changing how light bounces around inside the material. Kind of like how a soap bubble or oil slick changes color depending on its structure. The really clever part is that they got independent control. They could make the device show a flat state, a texture-only state, a color-only state, or a state with both at once. That matters because real camouflage is not just be green or be brown. It's matching the whole visual vibe of the background, the color, the gloss, the bumps, the way light scatters. They even showed the skin adjusting to different backgrounds, almost like a baby step toward artificial camouflage. And the system stayed robust over repeated switching, which makes this feel way more real than just a one-time lab trick. So no, we are not at full sci-fi invisibility cloak territory yet. But this is the kind of paper where you can clearly see the road leading there. Beyond camouflage, the authors mention possible uses in displays, wearable devices, electronics, and even surfaces that control things like friction, fluid flow, or how cells grow. Which is wild, because now this isn't just about looking different. It's about a surface changing how it behaves. So here's the question. What's the cooler future use for this fake skin? Camouflage, wearables, or smart medical surfaces?